filled with little lakes or sinkholes, whichever. But they're still doing roadside works, digging. Oh, there's another one. Look at that lake. 11:59, and we're heading to Showcase of Citrus to get our orange juice slushies. And not before time, because it's 29 degrees. I hope that isn't the cat that used to live here. If it is, he's looking a bit stiff. Slushy. We've got our orange slushies and we're sitting in a little hut right by a pond by Route 27, which also has Indians and wildlife. And that looks like a kangaroo, but I think it's another horse of some kind. I don't know. No, he does look like a kangaroo. It's a dove. I thought it was. I could hear a dove, and he's right there, puffing out his little chest. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Those are the monster trucks that we were in the other year, and we're going to have a little look now and see some fruit growing, I hope, because we're in May, April-May time. There's not a huge amount of stuff ready. Most of the oranges seem to have finished, but let's see what we can find anyway. Loads of mayflies or some kind of a fly in the air. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there are swarms of them. And they've got farm animals. Chickens! Look at the babies! Ha ha! Hiya!
They're saying like turkey.
Where is it? Oh yes, I can see the turkey. Turkey's all the way back there. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. Gobble gobble. Is he amused? And an itchy goat. What was that about? He made a lot of noise, but the moment you put the camera on him, he stopped. That is one resplendent turkey. They're actually really, really big. And this one says bunny rabbit, and it's full of chickens. And this is what they call a wild chicken. In fact, there's more than one wild chicken here. I can see another one there. Oh, I've just picked up a lime. I think it's a lime. Off the floor, it looks nice and healthy. They're misting the plants over here. There you go. Oranges growing on a tree. And these are called sunburst tangerines. And they're ready November through January. At the moment they're very green, very juicy looking. This amber sweet orange has got one orange on the whole tree. That's gone orange. Well done, orange. You're the first orange on the tree. It's a beautiful collared dove. Hello. Hey, little dove. Goodbye, little dove. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Silky. This one didn't make it. That's bee pollen.
Not good.
Tastes like... don't know. I don't like it.
Should we not get that then?
It's supposed to be really good for you.
Okay.
You can put it in your soups and stews, it says, but that way you can disguise the flavour of it. But it's a bit gritty. It doesn't taste sweet. It tastes like clay mixed with flowers, probably. Try some bullberry. Yummy. This is Lobsterfest. Lobster lover's dream is succulent rock lobster tail and sweet split Maine lobster tail, roasted and served with lobster and shrimp linguine Alfredo, served with a choice of side. $32.99. Looking forward to it?
Indeed. Can't wait. It's Lobsterfest, you know. Gotta bring the moose to it.
We can start with Caesar salad, gorgeous cheddar bay biscuits, and Coke. Look at that. That is amazing. It's so big that it doesn't even really fit in the viewfinder. So I've got broccoli, lemon, butter, a nice lobster tail there, lobster shrimp linguine, and a rock lobster tail. That looks absolutely scrummy. And Vaughn's got French fries with his. Yeah, Yum, yum, yum.
Hot.
Hot, hot, hot. We've just finished eating an amazing meal at the Red Lobster. And look who's just over here. A whole family. See if I can zoom up on one of the babies. What a lovely family. We're taking a very quick side step to Walmart to get a tiny little bit of extra shopping. And look at these clouds, they're getting a bit puffier. We're supposed to be having rain maybe tomorrow or Saturday, but it's looking like it's shaping up for a possible storm. And that looks like a face right in the middle of the screen there. It certainly looks like it on this screen. Looks like Mr. Burns from Simpsons. Summer Bay, Orlando, where we hope to sneak in there at some point to see where the sinkhole was and where the great big apartment blocks fell into a hole in the ground. Summer Bay, near Claremont.